This is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on SNNLive, and we're at the Sprott Natural Resource Symposium 2019 in Vancouver. With me right now is Ross McElroy from Fission Uranium Corp, publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you, FCU on the TSX and FCUUF in the US. Ross, welcome back to SNNLive.
Great to be here. Thank you.
It's great to have you on. So for our audience, let's start off with an overview, and then we'll go from there.
Sure. Well, as people probably are familiar, Fission Uranium is a uranium explorer and a development company. We're focused in Canada's Athabasca Basin, the home of the world's highest grade uranium deposits, and we're advancing our PLS project as it moves forward down the path to ultimate production.
So last time we had you on was about 2 years ago. So I want to get an update from, let's say, the last 6 to 12 months. What's been going on at Fission?
Sure. Well, we've had a pretty big year actually so far. We completed our pre-feasibility study back in April, and what that showed was that we have some of the lowest cost production uranium possible out there. We were seeing numbers around just under $7 US a pound to produce uranium. The other thing that we wanted to take a look at was advancing this project as an underground-only operation, because our pre-feasibility was an open pit, and we want to look at the option of going underground as well. It had some significant savings in capital expenditure, probably shave at least $300 million off. So, and that affects the bottom line. So we're working towards completing that study by the end of August, early September. So this year we'll have two separate PFSs, pre-feasibility studies, and we'll be able to decide which path is the best to go forward on this project.
So you alluded to my next question a little bit already, but full picture, what are some of from what you can tell us, what are some of the company's value catalysts now moving forward for the rest of 2019?
Well, for us, we're looking at, obviously we'd like to see better uranium prices. I think that will come. We certainly are very happy with the demand story out there. So higher uranium prices will be something that would obviously lift, I think, all the share prices of anybody in our sector. But I think what's important for us is to continue moving the project towards that ultimate goal of being a producer, and it looks very positive. I mean, the numbers that we saw in the pre-feasibility were really quite impressive, and for us, the next step is to go forward into a feasibility study. We should be able to have that complete by the end of 2020, and at that point, it's really the government bodies reviewing the project and giving us the okay to go forward.
And where can our audience go and find more information about Fission Uranium?
Well, they can certainly check our website at fissionuranium.com, and we trade under the symbol of FCU on the Toronto Senior Board, so as you mentioned earlier.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on this SNNLive, and we're at the Sprott Natural Resource Symposium 2019 in Vancouver. With me again has been Ross McElroy from Fission Uranium, publicly traded company, two symbols, FCU on the TSX and FCUUF in the US. Ross, always a pleasure.
Very appreciate it very much. Thank you.